If you're experiencing issues with syncing your Nintendo Switch account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you ensure your account is properly calibrated for seamless use. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet connection. Go to System Settings, select Internet, and run a connection test to confirm your connection is working. Step 2. Update system software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 3. Sign out and sign back in. Log out of your Nintendo account and then log back in. Go to the Nintendo eShop, select your account icon, and choose Sign Out. After signing out, sign back in using your account credentials. Step 4. Check account settings. Verify your account settings on the Nintendo website. Log into your Nintendo account on a computer or mobile device and check that your email and linked accounts are correct. Step 5. Restart your console. If issues persist, restart your Nintendo Switch. Hold down the power button until the power options appear, then select Restart. This can help refresh the system and resolve minor glitches. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any syncing issues with your Nintendo Switch account. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.